trying to bowl those block holes. Under pressure. Can he deliver?
Yeah, he bowled 6 in the block hole in the 19th over. So he is somebody who's practiced that delivery quite a lot.
Here comes the first ball. Yorker straight away. Jitesh Sharma trying to be cute. Ripon Mandal, middle stump, bullseye.
It was a rather premeditated from Jitesh. He was hoping for that Yorker. But you miss, I hit, says Ripon Mandal. What a start.
Well bowled. That's Yorker number 7 in a row. That 19th over we were talking about. He bowled them 6 Yorkers, and what a delivery. Perfect. Can't be more perfect. Jitesh Sharma has to go back for a duck. 0 for 1. India A.
Ripon Mandal comes again. Yorker again, short extra cover, back pedals and takes it. 2 in 2. Ripon Mandal, his good competition goes on, and India A all out in the super over without a single score on the board.
The game you're frightened of losing is not worth winning. They weren't able to put a run on the board in the super over. Bangladesh need 1 to win.
Great stuff from Ripon. Fabulous bowling. Bad choices by India though. I'm not sending Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Parveez, you asked me who should be opening. I thought it should have been Suryavanshi and Priyansh Arya.
What a spell. What a bowling performance. Never easy bowling in those super overs.
I've become a fan of this man, Ripon. He has ripped through that Indian batting in the super over. Wrong choices by India. Absolutely wrong. I'm amazed with that choice that they made.
The game gives you windows, not doors. You have to break through. Yasir Ali, the experienced campaigner, alongside Jishan Alam.
Looking at how things proceed in the middle, it's going to be Yasir Ali taking on the strike against Suyash Sharma. Yasir Ali, Jishan Alam, the 2 fielders who drop catches in this innings, and they got the opportunity to be in the middle when the single or any of the runs come in to redeem themselves and march on to the final, which happens in 2 days. Suyash Sharma, excellent spell early on. 4 overs, 17 for 1. If you had the game finishing in the 20 overs, commentary box, I can confirm we had Suyash Sharma if India had won, as the man's a match not to be. And he's going to operate with a leg slip in place. Watch out for the googly Yasir Ali. 2 fielders outside circle is at deep mid wicket and long on. Googly straight away. Long on, fielder in place. And he takes it. Ramandeep Singh, he's about 10 to 15 feet in front of the boundary rope. And Yasir Ali, very first ball, probably picked up the googly, trying to tonk it over. He's been dismissed.
There's going to be a boundary check. If Suyash gets another wicket here, it will be another super over.
Yeah, just about to double confirm it. There's no boundary count like it was before. Until we find a winner, we will be having super overs. Checking the front foot. That's fine. That's fine. Amandeep Singh under pressure. Picks up the googly, I thought, Yasir Ali. But was that necessary, Amaza? Just a single away. Going sideways when you're backpedaling. Good technique shown. Does he stay inside? Yeah, he does. He does. Had an expensive couple of overs when he bowled. 2 overs for 29.
Akbar Ali, the skipper, comes in taking the responsibility for Bangladesh A. They just need one to win. They need some common sense in the middle. They need to keep things calm. Akbar Ali dropped a catch. Can he finish things off for his side? As Bangladesh A will be eyeing to reach the final of this tournament for the second time after 2019.
Akbar Ali, he himself has an opportunity to redeem himself for the drop catch and also the blunder he made in the last ball. Here's your time. Here's your opportunity to be a hero again, Akbar. Under 19 World Cup winning captain in 2020. He knows to bat under pressure. He knows to lead a side under pressure. Can he lead his Rising Stars side against Suyash Sharma in the next delivery or two? Suyash Sharma, here he comes. Oh, down the next side. And a wide being called. That was a googly. And thanks to the Evans, Akbar Ali, he got everything in this game. Suyash Sharma, I thought the pace was right, not the line, not the length.
Was there a stumping opportunity there?
Every generation announces itself. Tonight, this one spoke fluently. Akbar Ali, oh boy. In the end, it was the Indian bowler who conceded a wide, not from the bat.
Yeah, Mazhar looks more relaxed here now. Just like the Bangladeshi captain Akbar Ali, they should be relieved